Toytime Surprise!
Hi loves, little Annie here from Toytime Surprise. I can't wait to get started on today's exciting adventure. Are you excited? I'm excited. If you're excited and you know it, give thumbs up. Thumbs up. If you're excited and you know it, give thumbs up. Thumbs up. If you're excited and you know it and you want Annie to show it. If you're excited and you know it, give thumbs up. Thumbs up. Oh my goodness, loves, today on our episode we have Robin and the Hulk, and they have to find their friends. We have a bunch of superheroes from Marvel and from DC and a whole bunch of superheroes that are trapped inside these eggs. Some evil villain put them in there. And the Hulk,
Hey!
and Robin, hey, what's up, are here to help us. They're going to crack open these eggs and find out what's inside. Are you ready, guys? We are, Annie. We are, Annie. All right. And we have Rugger up here protecting our Annie love heart. Of course he is. And Diggs is hiding behind here because he's not sure what's going on. And we have Mimi out front ready to go. Are you guys ready? Yay! We are! All right. Okay, so let's find out what's inside these eggs. And Hulk, I hope you're ready. Let's give your laser flash if that's going to help you get this job done. So, loves, Hulk is going to turn on his laser. And he's got it. And he's going to flash it on one of those eggs and hopefully open it up. So why don't we start with our orange egg. Hulk, let's see what's inside. Hopefully we can rescue some of our superhero people. All right, let's see what's inside, loves. Our adventure begins. Here we go. And we have a yellow egg inside. What could it be? What could it be? It's Spidey. Are your Spidey senses tingling? Because mine sure are. And Spiderman here we have. Oh, thank goodness we found him. Oh my goodness, loves. We have our Spidey. Well, what are we going to open next? We found Spidey, but who else are we going to find, Robin? I don't know, little Annie, but I'm going to shine my laser. Here I go. Which one, Robin? We need to help them. Oh, it's the black one. Okay, ready? Here we go. All right, let's laser that really good and get it open right there. What? It's a what's up egg, Robin. What's up inside? Oh, let's find out. Okay, loves, we have a what's up egg, and let's find out what's up inside. Here we go. Oh, thank you, Robin, for helping with that. Ready? Oh, my. We are about to rescue a Marvel 500. A little surprise bag inside, so let's see what we have. We're going to open that up. And inside is our card that tells us all the Marvel 500 characters that we can collect. Let's see what we have, loves. Oh, who is this fella? Let's see. His arms are folded. He has some kind of attack weapon behind him. And it looks like it could be, I don't know. We're going to have to find out. Okay, loves, we have Nick Fury here from Marvel 500. Oh, thank goodness Robin saved Nick Fury. That is so cool. Do you see him? He has, oh yeah. Oops, dropped him. Okay, Nick Fury. I don't want you to get furious, so I'm going to set you over there. Okay, Hulk, what are we going to do now? We've got to save more of our superheroes.
All right, Annie. Let's go white. The Hulk egg, of course.
Here we go. Oh, you got to laser that open. All right, and give it a bang.
Boom!
right, Hulk. Let me help you out there. Thanks. Oh, goodness gracious. And we have a blue egg. And what do we have? What? It's another Marvel 500. Look at that. Okay, so we had Nick Fury, and now we are going to rescue another superhero from Marvel 500. Let's begin. Open it up and see what... All right. Who do we have here with her red hair, ready for action? Oh my goodness. Who is it? It is the Black Widow. Oh my goodness. I don't know if she's good or bad. Loves, if you think she's a superhero or a villain, could you let me know? Please leave a comment down below for her, little Annie, because I'm not sure if this Marvel 500 is a villain or a superhero. And our episode is all about rescuing our superheroes. So leave a comment down below and let me know. Is she a superhero? A villain turned good? Perhaps. Let's find out. Okay, and I don't think she wants to stand right now, so I'm going to set her over here. Take care of her, Mimi. I sure will, Miss Annie. I know you will. You're so brave. Okay, Robin, it's your turn. Shine your laser on our next egg to save. What is it going to be? Oh, we have a purple Avenger egg. Let's get your laser going. Ready? All right. Oh, Robin, I'm sure glad. Look at that. Let's get that going right there. All right. Thank you, Robin. Let's open this egg up and find out what's inside. Oh my goodness, loves. Who could it be? Why? It's Supergirl. All right. Look at that, loves. We have Supergirl with us. Oh, that's awesome. And she is so brave. And she perseveres through everything. She can do it because she's got girl power. Oh, she does. And look at her little wave that she's on. Oh, Robin, I'm so glad you saved Supergirl. Here she is. That's awesome. All right, Hulk, it's your turn. What are we going to do?
Time for blue egg.
I see it. Let's get it. Okay, we're going to set Spidey right down here. And let's get our blue egg. Laser it, Hulk. Laser it. Bang! Boom! And with your laser, we can open this egg. Let's get it going. Here we go. Whoa! All right, Hulk. Thank you so much. Let's see what's inside. Oh, loves. What do we have here? Why? It's Bumblebee. Bumblebee? That's awesome. Look at her little wings. Oh, she's so great. We have superheroes all around us. Thank goodness we have Robin and Hulk helping us out. And we saved Supergirl and Bumblebee. We have Spidey. We have so many. Still not sure about this Black Widow, but I'm sure that our friends and all our subscribers will let us know. Wow, loves. All right, loves. That's the end of this video. Click this link to watch part 2 and see the big yellow egg opening. What?